Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine, and before we get started with the CVS ad, this is something I want to kind of introduce in my channel, and it's just something positive. I feel like when you have a positive quote, it does set the tone for the rest of the day. So this one is another one, and I think it's pretty cute to share. And it says she was unstoppable, not because she did not have failures or doubt, but because she continued on despite of them. So we just have to see that we're gonna fail, might have doubts, but what makes us unstoppable is we continue moving past all those failures or doubts. So I thought it was cute. I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started with the ad, and these are some of the best deals I want to share with you guys. This is for CVS, starting December 15. That is this Sunday, and on this ad there's so many great deals. There's some freebies as well and some moneymaker. So if you're new and you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and also I invite you to subscribe to my channel. This ad will start December 15th to December 21st for CVS. I'm going to be sharing my printable list. Is going to be provided in the description box. It's going to take you to my website and you're going to be able to print it. So now I want to share with you guys some CRTs that might help your total be a lot less. Some of these totals are including a lot of CRTs, and as you know, some CRTs we all get, but others are selected by different people depending on your card. So if you have some of these, it might help your total be a lot less, and these are some of the ones that I did receive, and I'm going to be sharing them with you on this video. So let's get started with the first deal. This is a mix and match products. This is buy 30 get 10, and as you can see, there's a few items there like Pantene, but look at it, this is a different one. This one is a 17.7 to 20 ounce, and it's 3 for 15. We usually see 3 for 12, so this is a different deal. And I'm also including Head and Shoulder and Herbal Essence. So what we're gonna do is buy the set for each, in this case 3, 2, and 2, and those are the prices, 15, 12, and 12. So our new total is 39. Then we're going to be using all digital coupons, so that if you're a beginner or you don't have any of those coupons or any of those PNG, this will be a perfect deal to start, because all these coupons are actually available in the app right now, so you could just clip them. That way you're ready to go on Sunday. And then I'm going to share with you some of the CRTs you're going to be able to use. We're going to be using the CRT for Head and Shoulder 2.50. Herbal Essence $2, and I had a Pantene for $4. So you will pay $15.50, but you'll get back 10 ECB as you see. And also we passed the $30 beauty reward. So we're going to be getting a 3 beauty ECB, making our final price $2.50 or 36 cents for each, which is crazy because as you can see, it started with $39 and our final price will be $2.50 after the ECB and the beauty ECB is included. Great deal. So now we're going to go to Nexxus hair care. There's different options, different ones you could do. Hopefully you was able to print this coupon. I believe it's still available, so I'm going to provide it in the description box, and just give it a try, because I did see that it reset. I was able to print another one. And if you have this CRT, this will be a good deal as well. So you're going to buy one of the styler or any of these products, like I believe this is the dry shampoo, or any of the products you would like to get for $19.99. Just buy one, use one coupon, and then use a digital, so you will pay $10.99. You will get 10 ECB. As you see, you buy 20, you get 10. This is a limit of 1, and this will come out to 99 cents compared to $20. Is such a good deal. But in case you want to do a different deal, you want to get or you'll find the moisturizer in your store. This is for $10.99. So what we're going to do is buy 2 of those, and now our new total is $21.98. Use 2 digitals. You could use a digital, you could use a printable. Just make sure you use 2, and then use this CRT if you have it. Let's say you don't have the 4 of 20 Nexxus, but let's say you have the 4 of 18 hair care. It will work as well. That way you just pay $7.98, but you're going to get back 10. You're going to be getting back the 10 ECB, making it free, and $2.02 money maker. Such a great deal if you have that coupon and you find these in your store. So let's continue with the next deal. This is Crest Pro Health Toothpaste, buy 2 get 3, and it's a limit of 2. And it says that there's going to be coupons sent to the card. It doesn't say how much it is, so I'm just putting an estimate amount, playing it safe. So we're gonna buy two for $2.99. That's the price for the Pro Health. Their new total is $5.98. Check your digital. I have this selected in my card. Like I said, the other one is going to be available on Sunday. I don't know how much it's going to be. Let's say it's $1. So this will be perfect as well. This will be a digital deal. So from $5.98 you will pay $2.98 if that coupon is $1. And then you get back 3 ECB, making it free. This deal I was able to do this week, but as you see, for Maybelline, we're going to be getting a mystery coupon offer. So let's say it's $3. So let's buy one of the Great Lash mascara for $6.99 and one of the single eyeshadow for $4.19. So together, these two products are $11.18. You could use a coupon from Retail Me Not November 17 for the mascara. And for that mystery coupon, let's say it's a $3 ECB. I mean CRT, let's say it's a $3, then you'll pay $6.18. You get back 5 for buying 2, making it 59 cents each. This is Eucerin hand body lotion. Buy 20 get 10, limit of 1, and it says any hand and body lotion or cream. So this is a deal for the daily and the skin calming. These are the ones that our prices are pretty good. So together it will be $20.58. So now we've reached our 20. Will be perfect for us to get that 10 ECB. But we just got some coupons on this Sunday's paper in the Retail Me Not December 8th, deducting 4 off 2. And if you have any CRTs that says lotion, you could use a deducting 3. So now your total is $13.58. That's how much you will pay in the register. You will get back 10 ECB, making it $1.79. And that's just in case you got that CRT. But let's say you're able to print this coupon. This is going to take you to their website, just buy the same products for $20.58, but use those coupons. This coupon says save up to $3.50, and you're able to save either $3 or $3.50 if you share that coupon information. And if you're able to share and you get the $3.50, then print 2 of those. Use that same CRT that I mentioned. So now your new total is $10.58. You will get 10 and it will come out to 58 cents for both, or 29 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. And using those coupons, but if you have more CRTs, then it will make it a pretty good deal. But 29 cents for each is crazy, so that's a pretty good deal. Now we're going to talk about Nivea personal care. This one is going on this week. I noticed that when we have this deal like back to back, then it's harder to find the lotions that are the more affordable price, the $4.99. So just make sure that you do find them in your store. And if you do, then you will pay $9.98. That will be the total. But then we're going to be using coupons that we got on this Sunday's paper in the Retail Me Now December 8th, deducting 3. So you will pay $6.98 using that coupon. You will get 5 for buying any 2 selected Nivea personal care. And as you can see, they have the lotion there. And the new price will be 99 cents each. But if you let's do the same deal, but if you have that CRT that I show you and you use this coupon, then you will pay $3.98 using that CRT. You get back 5, and now these lotions will be free, and $1.02 money maker. Just many great deals just using one coupon, and depending on the CRTs you guys may have. So now let's talk about Covergirl Cosmetics. I haven't included Covergirl in a few, I think, weeks. But this one is pretty good. This is spend 15, get 7. This is a limit of 1 from any Covergirl Cosmetics. So you could buy the powder for $8.69 and then buy the mascara for $6.79. What I'm trying to do is reach 15 because you do need to buy 15 to get 7. So once we purchase those 2 items, what we're going to do is use a coupon. Actually 2. There's a coupon that says foundation or powder, and the other coupon will say mascara, so you could use 2 of those. So now it should deduct $4. These came on the Smart Source December 8th. And then use this coupon for the app, and then this CRT. So now you will pay $6.98. But remember, we're going to be getting back 7, making these items free. Now let's talk about Blue Diamond almonds. I think these are pretty good. They could be very pricey. As you see, they could be on its own $3.19, and they're going to be 2 for $5. And if you have this CRT, let's say 2 of 8 on all snacks, which includes nuts, or the 3 of 10 any food item, it depends on the CRT you have, then you will be able to save even more. So in this case, buy 4 for $10 total. Then we're going to be using coupon from Smart Source November 24, deducting $1.50 for two. So we're going to use two of those since we're buying four. And then you could use any of these CRTs you may have. So in this case, we'll use with the highest value one, which is the $3. We'll pay $4. There's no ECB, so they will come out to $1 each. Pretty good deal. Now let's talk about Radiance Platinum Vitamins. This is one that I've been wanting to do. If you have a CRT for vitamins, it will be very helpful. I think I'm gonna buy this one because they have so many great reviews for this vitamin. So this vitamin is more than $15. It will be $18.79. So you just need to buy 15 to get 10. But with this CRT, it will really help bring down the total to $14.79. We're gonna get back 10. ECB, making it just $4.79, which is still pretty good knowing that this costs $18.79. I did mention this when I was glancing through the ad when we were watching the ad preview together. Coke 12 pack 12-ounce cans is going to be $3 for $11. The Pepsi is going to be $2 for $11, so this one is the best offer. And as you can see, or it could be $5.99 each. So from $6 to $2.67, there's a lot of savings there with no coupons really needed. So we're gonna buy 3 for $11, and we're gonna use the CRT that I show you, which is any food items or beverage. So if you have this CRT, it will help you bring down $3, and you will pay $8, and it will come out to $2.67 each pack, which is pretty good. Also, guys, check out as you see the symbol here. I used to send all my once I get these packs or the bottles, they have codes, and I will go to my Coke rewards and I will enter those codes, and those codes will give me sometimes free coupons for a free 12 pack. This was way back many years ago. Then they removed the program, then they kind of like changed the program, and now the program just, you could still enter those codes and you could get free products. A lot of the times we get free tickets, or we get free large drinks or free popcorn. So at least just submitting those codes that you get in these Coke packs, you get some rewards. So just be in the lookout. If you have these at home, or the bottles, anything that has to do with Coke, visit their website that it gives you the information. You see this logo here and enter that there, and that's how a lot of times we get a lot of either free tickets, free popcorn, free large drinks when we go to the movie theater. Just want to let you guys know that sometimes there's a lot of rewards just buying these products are easy, and also Kellogg's rewards. So now let's continue with any Lysol. As you can see, this is a digital coupon, also an app only offer. So this is also a free deal to do, or easy deal to do. This one's going to be buy one get one free. So I saw these for $3.19. That's how much you will pay, but you're going to be using that digital coupon, deducting one of two, and then you're going to be using this Lysol household cleaner in your app from CVS app. So now your total will bring it down to $169. There's no ECBs for it, so your new total is 85 cents each. So now let's move on. Finally, let's move on to Excedrin 24 to 200 count. As you see there, spend 15 get 5. It's not the best ECB, but if you needed to stock up on this and you have this in your app, then this could be a good offer for you guys. So as you can see, they cost $6.49. But let's say you find them around $7.49 or so, then all you would need to do is buy two. I needed to put three because that's the price I saw in the online price, and you do need to reach 15. So if you just buy two, it will be really off. So if you find it for $7.49, then you might save even more. But in this case, if this is the price you see it in the store, then buy three for $19.47. Use 3 coupons, deducting $1.50. You're going to find it in their app, or also in the last paper that we got in December 8th, the Retail Me Not. And also select this coupon from the app, deducting 3 off 2. So now your total comes down to $11.97, but you're going to get back 5, making it $6.97 for all 3, or $2.32 each. This is a great deal if it's included Pop-Tart cereal. There's a Ibotta cashback offer of 75 cents off one, and there's a limit of 5. So you could submit it and for all 4 cereals. If you're new to Ibotta, you will get an incentive. Sometimes they might give you $5, put in your card, and you could use my referral code. That way you get that incentive if you're new to Ibotta. If not, just activate this offer in your account. And if this cereal is included, the Pop-Tart, as you see, is going to be a special 2 for $5. And it says selected Kellogg cereals, 10 to 18.2 ounce. So we're going to buy 4 for $10. And we're going to use a printable. There's a printable as you see here, or you could select it in the app. It's a digital coupon, which is going to save you $2 when you buy any four Kellogg cereal. And we're going to be using this CRT for any food items, deducting 3. So now your total is $5. That's how much you'll pay in the register if you use this coupon and you use this CRT. Then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents times 4 if the Pop-Tart is included, and your new total will be 2 after the cashback offer, or 50 cents each. But just make sure that this is on sale. Once you go to CVS, we will only know on Sunday. And you could just open the app and scan this product and it will let you know if it's included. But let's say that deal is not included. Kellogg cereal is okay. We want to take advantage of the cereal. They're on special 2 for $5, even though they're not giving us ECBs, but it's still a pretty good price. As you see, the regular price is $2.99. Like I mentioned previously on my Coke rewards, I got these from the Kellogg's website, and I love their program. I usually, every time I do a receipt, I buy products, I send it to my Kellogg's family rewards, and I get incentives, and then I get high value coupons, or you could get gift cards too. So in this case, we're going to buy 4, and we could just print any of these coupons that they have for 70 cents. And as you see, you go to kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com and you can select those coupons. And let's say you want to buy 4, you could print 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, or any other ones you see on your computer. So just make sure you have 4 in total. You use that CRT that I mentioned, and you will pay $4.20, or it will be $1.05 each, which is pretty good versus $2.99. And then we're gonna do another mix and match deal. This one it doesn't say the price. It says see shelves for this week's specials, but it's usually 3 for $12. And if it is, what we're gonna do is buy 2 of the Tampax. So as you see, Tampax is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and the price I've seen is $5.99. The other one is going to be 3. Then we see Pantene. If it's 3 for $12, then that will be a great price. And then we're going to get 1 Charmin and 1 Bounty. So the coupons we're going to use are all digitals. As you see, we're going to be using the Tampax 3 for 3 off 2. This one is already in the CVS app, so you could just activate it. And the Charmin and Bounty, I also seen them in there, so just select 1 of each. That way it'll deduct $2 in total. The Pantene is also there. Just select your app and select and activate that coupon or send it to cart. And the CRTs we're going to be using is 1 off 6 for tampons, 2 off 8 for toilet paper or paper towels, which are these, and a CRT that I didn't put here for hair care, 3 off 12. So we have 3 different CRTs. So now your total will be $14.97. You will get 10 ECB, making it $4.97 total, or 71 cents each. Pretty good deal. So this is all the best deals I have. Many great deals. I show you all the CRTs that you might be able to use. The printable coupons link and the shopping list and the cashback is all going to be provided below. That way it'll be easier for you guys to get those ready for the new ad. So guys, I appreciate the time that you spent to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.